Good morning, friends. It's Saturday here and I just came to Menards with Levi to shop for the house. The boys are working, the men I should say, and because I can't physically help, the way that I can help is by looking and shopping for supplies that we still need for the house. And we decided to do another section of tile, so I'm here to find some tile for the front door entrance. Due to the harsh Cleveland winters, we're gonna need to put tile there for our wet shoes because laminate is not waterproof. So I brought this piece of laminate with me to see if I can match up to the tile. We'll just see what options they have here at the store. It doesn't exactly match, but I like how this looks together. Not to mention this piece is on sale. I decided to go with this one. Called Vitaly to ask for his opinion. It's a little dark, but it's the closest one that they have in stock. I was just spending some time sanding the rooms down and the trim because all the nail holes had to get filled in, and the baseboard and the trim around the windows and the doors. And you can see the proof that I've been sanding on my hat. Yeah, it's a pretty dirty job, and now I'm going through and vacuuming up the mess. This is what Levi's closet looks like. We'll have like 2 rods for clothes there. And the shelves will have little doors on them. Kelly and Dad are installing the toilet.
Тот не крутится, а этот крутится. Подтягиваю руками вверх.
Here's the little baseboard. Happy Independence Day. We're going to IKEA today. Check out our vehicle. Dad let us borrow his van. Mercedes Sprinter? Wow. Yeah, so we have a list of stuff we need to get, and hopefully we can find it all. Levi is not coming with us, otherwise we wouldn't be able to have a productive shopping time. Do you have anything to say?
Think of something in Swedish. That's kind of small. Well,
it's like paper thin.
Yeah, I would not.
Maybe these would be better. What is this made of? Is this wood?
Fine. That is just MDF or yeah, it's cheap.
That looks much more sturdy.
This would be good. It's a solid top.
What?
It's just a shorter version of it.
They already come with divided shelves.
Well, you have to assemble. You have to assemble all of it. Yeah.
Oh.
And then sink. This is not the sink I was looking at because the one we were looking at has the thing for the attachment on top.
On top of it, yeah.
Because I don't think we have room.
What's cooking good looking? Reach in for the best IKEA cake.
You want to?
Yes, please. Look at all that stuff. Are you happy with your purchases?
It's almost as big as last time.
Was this a successful trip?
I guess we'll find out once we get home.
Yeah, once we assemble it. we're all loaded in. Good thing we brought the van.
Yes. Good thing. It's hot.
Yeah, it's so hot outside. It's like 90 degrees. I'm sitting on the floor here in our bedroom. My husband's in my bedroom. This is our green screen. So the upstairs, sorry for the echo, the upstairs is now pretty much finished. And we're just waiting on getting everything sprayed, meaning the baseboards, the trim, the closets, the doors. And that's going to be done all at once with the first floor as well. I've decided not to film any more upstairs because we'll do just a whole reveal at the end when this is all completed. And since we're almost finished with the second floor, now we're on the first floor. Dad's building the steps and it's pretty exciting that we are seeing the finish line. The kitchen cabinets are getting put in and it makes me emotional just to walk into the kitchen and open up cabinets and think that soon I'll be putting food in there for my family and just, I don't know why, it's so crazy. Although it's not like a place we want to live for a very long time, but still, this is just so much work has gone into it and we wanted to move in end of June, but it didn't work out. So now the set date is July 31st for us to be out of the apartment. So yeah, that's the update, but I'll go ahead and film some things that are being done on the first floor now. We didn't have enough padding, so we're putting together the scraps puzzle piece. Получается,